Let's step out of the car then.
I'm not stopping there.
Okay. Hey, do not kick her.
Am I going to jail?
On September 2nd, 2023, Goodwill employees called 911 after finding a woman passed out behind the wheel of a running vehicle in their parking lot. She did not know what city she was in. She thought it was 10 o'clock at night. It was daytime. This is proof on record.
Hey. I'm gonna open the door. Hey, wake up. Police department, are you okay? Can you roll the window down for me? I'm just checking on you. You look like you're kind of in a bad spot right now.
Police department, can you unlock the door?
Might need aid. Hey, I need you to wake up. All right. Wake up. Open your eyes. I'm gonna have to break your window if you can't unlock the door for me.
Waiting. Open the door for us.
Unlock the door. Unlock the door. This is just a welfare check, okay? I need to make sure you're okay.
I got a whole bunch.
I do too. Hey. Unlock the door. Federal Way Police. You are not free to leave.
If you don't open it, we're gonna break open the window. I'll pop on your side, Brittany.
All right. Hey, we don't want to break your window. Open the door. I'll swap spots with you. Which window were you thinking?
Oh, is it unlocked?
No.
Oh.
Are you unlocked? She's unlocking. Open the door. 42, what is the RO's version?
Open the door.
There we go.
Hi, can you unlock your door? Yeah, unlock your door.
The first name is Alexia.
Are you? What's going on?
All right. Don't touch my partner.
Okay, this time you're not free to leave, okay? So here's where we're at. You're parked behind a Goodwill. You're passed out behind the wheel. The vehicle's running. The employees here called 911 because they're worried about your welfare. I can smell weed. Were you smoking a little weed?
Yeah, I just hopped in the car.
You just what?
I just hopped in the car from where I was.
Where were you going?
From Lakewood.
Lakewood? Okay. Where are you at right now?
Mid.
Where?
Mid.
Mid? What's mid?
Lakewood on the way to Federal Way.
You're on your way to Federal Way. Okay.
But do you know where you're at currently? Like what city you're in currently? In between Federal Way and Lakewood? Which one? Middle.
The middle?
You don't know where I'm at.
You don't know where you're
I
at?
still live in Lakewood.
You live in Lakewood?
Oh, okay. I used to.
Oh, okay.
Like, I know where I'm at.
What time do you think it is right now?
10.
10?
The latest, like,
What?
10 or 11.
What?
But I know I left around, like, 9.
How much weed did you smoke? Of what? How long ago was that? 3 a.m.? Fair enough. Well, I'm a little worried about you being on the road, to be honest. Do you think that you're safely driving right now with how out of it you are?
I'm not even out of it. I'm just trying to get home first. And that's your opinion. Opinion is
out of it, okay?
Opinion is not the same as a statement. That's your opinion. And I haven't been talking the whole time.
It's a fact.
But I haven't been talking the whole time.
Okay.
It is not a fact.
Okay.
It's not a fact.
Do you have
That's
someone
your
you can call?
opinion. Yeah.
Then how will you
Any
call
call
someone,
or anybody you can pull up on is definitely just drunk. Like, it's not nobody that you're stopping that can just drive home.
Okay.
Like, so I haven't even been talking to you.
I won't quit. I won't talk to you anymore.
Yeah,
I got
no,
you. Sorry
that's
about that.
what I'm
You can talk to my partner.
Yes, I do. That's your question. Can I feel like I drive home? Yes.
You feel like you can drive home safely. Okay.
That's what I did in the beginning.
I gotcha.
Who is she?
She's talking to me.
Yeah, but like, she's throwing her opinion on who she was. She hasn't done nothing but stand there.
So, let me explain and it is my opinion, right? But
That's what I'm saying, an opinion doesn't really matter to me. I need a clear-cut answer.
Okay, so I'm
Like,
going to give you one.
Yeah,
You are
so-
not safely able to drive.
But you don't know that. Are you me?
No, ma'am, but based on the totality of the circumstances, you're parked during daylight, behind a Goodwill sleeping.
I was at park behind the Goodwill.
Honey, that's where you're at right now.
No, I know. I know that. I'm aware of that.
Okay,
But I was.
you admitted. Okay, listen.
I was asleep though.
Okay, let me talk now. You admitted to smoking weed, right? So
Yeah,
I'm trying to give you an
Yeah,
out.
I'm 22.
Of course, but you're not allowed to drive after
I
smoking
didn't
weed,
say
right?
that.
But
I
you're
didn't
in the
say
vehicle.
that.
The vehicle's
I said
on.
I had like a blunt.
Okay.
And now we're
Officers spend several minutes trying to wake her up through the window before she unlocks the door. When she finally comes around, she immediately tries to leave. The officer tells her she is not free to go. She admits to smoking weed. She says she smoked a blunt an hour or two ago. She does not know where she is. She thinks the time is 10 or 11 at night. The officer asks when she left. She says 1:50 in the morning. Under Washington state law, driving under the influence of cannabis carries the same legal weight as alcohol DUI. The vehicle was running. She was behind the wheel. She was unconscious in a public parking lot. She smells of marijuana and admits to recent use. That is probable cause for a DUI investigation before a single field sobriety test is administered. The officer gives her a way out. Call your mom. We park the car legally. You go home safe.
2 ago.
Okay, listen, Alexia. It's not time to argue because I'm trying to give you an out.
No,
if
I'm
your
not.
mom can come and pick you up,
No, that's what I'm saying.
we can
That's
park
not
your car
allowed.
legally.
The only out is for me to drive off of the home.
No. So you have two choices. You can go to jail, or your mom can come and pick you up, and those are the only two choices.
Well, then those are the 2 choices.
Okay, you want to go to jail?
I'm not going to jail either way. So I just told you that. Either way is for me to drive off of the home.
That's not going to happen. And we have
But
your
it
keys,
is.
so.
But it is. So.
Okay. Well, you're not getting your keys back, so that's
I
not
don't
going
need
to happen.
another key. Is that what you think I need?
You need a key to operate a motor vehicle, yes.
I have 2 key functions. I don't need just 1 key.
Okay.
for the car.
You are not going to be driving this
I
vehicle.
don't need that.
You're not going to be driving this vehicle. So either we call mom and she
Yes,
comes
I
and
am.
picks you up.
That's not enough.
Okay, let's step out of the car then.
I'm not stopping at the car.
Okay, well, we will remove you then. If you do
You're
it,
not going to remove me because then I'll remove you.
okay, well, that's a threat, so we're going to step out now.
No, you're not. You're not going to pull the car.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not. And I'll get right back in the car.
Okay.
I don't think so. Yes, I do. You guys are not. I'm not testing it. You guys are arresting me for what? You want to stay in my car?
Hey.
No.
Okay, roll over.
Bitch, you're done. Eventually.
Hey, do not kick her. Do not kick her.
Then let go of me.
Nope.
Let go of
You
me.
are under
I don't
arrest.
need 2 police officers touching me. Get off me.
You are under arrest.
You're bitter. You're hostile.
Okay,
let
you
go of
are
me.
under arrest.
Okay, either or. This is hostile and bitter. Tell her to let go of me. Tell her to let go of me.
It's right here. Let's just walk her to the car.
Tell her to. No, either way. Tell
We
her
need
to
all
let go
three
of
of
me.
her. We're probably gonna have to carry her.
Tell her to let go of me.
Oh, of course.
Tell her let. I will hurt her. You.
No.
You already got assault charges.
Can I put shoes on?
Nope. She's not getting shoes.
I'll give it to you.
So can you take me to walk there and get it?
I'll get it.
Tell her to let go of me. I don't need to resist it. Go get it. Get it out. Can you please take me to get my phone?
No,
I'm not
I'll
going
get him.
nowhere.
I need you to
No,
put your
no,
legs in.
no. I need to see it though.
I'll get him.
No, I need to see it
I'll
though.
get him.
Are you positive?
I'll show
where
you
is
right
everybody?
I need my backpack,
now. Okay.
my charger,
All right.
and my phone. And my phone.
All right.
She's not getting any of that shit. It's all in the car.
You're dead.
LT, she bit me and kicked me in the groin twice.
Did she hit you at all?
No.
I saw her bite you.
She says her only option is to drive home. The officer says she is not getting her keys back. She says she has a spare. He tells her the 2 choices again. Mom picks you up or jail. She says neither of those is happening. Officers remove her from the vehicle. She kicks, she bites an officer. Both of those are battery on a law enforcement officer under Washington law. She came into this encounter as a DUI suspect. She left it with additional felony exposure on top of it.
You said that you're gonna cooperate, right?
Can you please
I'll
loosen them?
loosen them up. I'll take them off.
Take them off then.
Okay, not right now. I need you to get on this bed.
I'm not getting on a bed. I can
You
walk.
have-
No, I can walk. I'm not getting on a f***ing bed.
All right.
Like I'm
Well,
hurt.
Let's just be nice, okay?
Don't-
And go ahead and walk.
Don't
I
grab
have
me.
to hold you.
No.
I have to.
No, don't
No,
grab
that's
me.
that's not an option, Alexis.
Don't be grabbing me. Don't be grabbing me.
I have to hold you.
Watch
Come on,
out.
step up.
Don't
Come
be
on.
grabbing me.
Go ahead, step
Don't
up.
f***ing grab me.
Okay, step
Don't
up.
be grabbing me.
I have to hold
Don't
you.
do that.
I have to hold you. Come
Okay,
on.
that's fine,
Come on.
but don't be grabbing
Let's
me.
go. Let's go.
No, you're, exactly.
Come
That's
on,
what I'm
let's go.
saying, though.
Let's
You're
go.
hurting my cuffs more
You said
than
you're
it
gonna
is.
cooperate, right?
That's why I said you don't need to f***ing grab me.
Sit down.
I don't switch to the other side. I don't need to sit down.
Yes.
I don't need to sit down.
I need you to sit down.
I don't need to sit
There you go.
down.
There you go. Go ahead and lay out. Lay down.
Why are you guys treating me like I'm hurt, though? After you guys did this to me, though.
There we go.
This is what you guys do after you hurt people, though? It don't make sense.
Alexis, you wanted me to
Get
take those
off
off,
me.
right? You want me to take
It don't matter to me at the end of the day. You hurt me at the end of the day. This is why I'm here doing what I'm doing. It makes no sense. Put me in a bed like I'm hurt when you hurt me. That don't make sense. Okay. You put me in these cuffs. You put me on this bed. I'd be at home right now. What are you talking about? I'm not hurt. Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm.
Alexis.
Let
You're
go
here
of
to
my
help.
arm. I don't need nobody to help me. That's the problem. I need you to unloosen these
Remember, you promised
cuffs.
that you'll be nice. Okay?
I don't
Just go ahead
care
and sit
about
up for
nobody
me.
in here.
You wanted me to take those
You
off,
put-
right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna take
That's
those
all
off.
I care about. I don't
take
care
those
about you guys tying me up, loosening it up, nothing. I want these off. It's hurting my wrist. Ow. Stop, 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 stop.
I'm taking them off. You want me to take them off, right?
Yes,
Okay.
you're squeezing it though.
I'm not squeezing.
You are. You're squeezing the right one. What's your problem? You have animosity towards me? Say it then. I don't need that,
Thank you.
bro. It's just the cuffs that
Make it
hurt. I'm not trying to run nothing.
We're gonna take those
You're
off.
hurting my wrist. Take that off. You don't know if you're detaining me or not, but you're bringing me to the hospital to see if I'm okay after you hurt me. Pushed me on the floor, pulled my head, dropped me to the
Cuffs are off.
floor, put me in cuffs. That's crazy. Can I please make a phone call? Can the hospital, somebody, something? I can't make any single phone call. You guys got my call. You guys got my phone towed with my car.
Following the blood draw, the woman was transported to the jail.
Which way, bitch? Which f***ing way? This way, this way. Which way you want me to go? Like, fuck. Can you please let go of me? You guys are so f***ing forceful. Let go of me, please.
There are grooves in the back. Just leave your hands in there. It'll be comfortable, okay? Grooves in the
It's
seat.
too tight, bro. It's too tight.
It's not tight. I double checked
It
it.
is. This one. The right.
It's not, okay?
It is.
So stop moving them then.
We're gonna take them off at the jail.
Yeah.
Duh, you dumbass. It's too tight
Just
now.
keep them in the groove in the back of the seat. It'll be better. Okay, come on.
Let's go. Okay.
7 times she was able to take her.
Okay, we'll just document it in the report and let's just get her out of here.
Yeah.
Officers obtain a search warrant for a blood draw. In Washington state, for DUI investigations, officers can seek a search warrant for a blood sample when a suspect refuses or is unable to provide a breath sample. The warrant is granted. She is transported to the hospital. At the hospital, she says she cannot walk. She says she is hurt. She says the officers hurt her. She wants the cuffs off. She wants a phone call. She says it makes no sense to be put in a hospital bed when she is not hurt. The blood draw happens. She is transported to jail. She was charged with DUI and resisting arrest. She was passed out in a parking lot in a running car in the middle of the day, not knowing what city she was in or what time it was. The officer offered her a ride home from her mother in a legally parked car. She said driving away was her only option. It was not. And the blood draw results will have the final word on exactly how impaired she was when Goodwill called 911. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. All commentary is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.